Welcome back to the Survival Gardener Minute. I'm David the Good. Today's question is from Tom Sensible. Tom says, hey, the wife said there is a members only video, so I put on my members only jacket. Am I overdressed? No. The members only jacket is the most appropriate jacket that has ever been invented, and it works for every occasion, from formal to casual to just hanging out with friends, to going to the beach, to visiting a sauna, to an audience with the Queen. Members only. The reason it's members only is because if you get this jacket, you're part of something that only members can be part of. So no, you're fine. Yeah, thanks for the question, Tom. Much appreciated. And you guys be sure to like and subscribe for very, very helpful videos like this as we go on through the pandemic together. Catch you guys later. Oh, and if you're interested in the members only, I am going to do basically paying channel members of this channel, not just subscribers, but paying members, people that support it for $5 a month, which is obviously a really good value because you can't get a members only jacket for that, but you can become a member of this channel. So we're going to be discussing my new book, Florida Survival Gardening, and I have given a pre-release copy to all the members. So if you're a member, you can get that and you can join on the video, but don't worry about it if you're not a member. If you don't have cash or whatever else, we're going to be doing regular live streams anyway. So anyhow, catch you guys later, and until next time, may your thumbs always be green.